Aiden. So Aiden, do you manage to do your bedroom just now? You managed to do like the 3D like this? That's great. So teacher Sharon send another living room. Okay, you can do it if you have time as well. Okay, good. Jane is here. Shamin, Maggie here. Okay, great. Okay. All right. So let's continue with our mathematics class today. Today we continue with the shapes. Why is it loading so slow?
I do it before the math class.
Okay.
Do last time homework. This is 30 shapes.
Okay, hold on, yeah. I'll turn off my screen for a moment because my internet don't know. Excuse me. Don't know why my internet is a little bit slow. Okay. Yesterday we learned about 2D shapes. Okay, sorry. Last week we learned about 2D shapes. Today we're going to learn the line of symmetry.
You might attract someone looking for a quaint little studio.
Friends, in this video, we are going to learn
Line of symmetry, which means the shape you can cut half.
about something called symmetry. You may have heard this word before. Symmetry is talked about in a lot of different subjects, such as math, science, and art. So let's get started. First, what is symmetry? To keep it simple, symmetry is when something is the same on both sides. So all of these shapes here have a line going right through the middle of them to show that on one side and the other side, it's the same. Now, to help you figure out if something is symmetrical, what you do is you add a line of symmetry. So what is a line of symmetry? The line of symmetry is an imaginary line that goes right down the middle of something that is symmetrical. It is helpful to use because this line of symmetry can be used to pretend to fold something in half, and if it matches up exactly, you know it's symmetrical. So if this butterfly could fold its wings on the line of symmetry, they would match up exactly. Now, to help us better understand what symmetry is, let's take a look at something that doesn't have symmetry. So on the left over here, we have our line of symmetry going right down the middle of this shape. And we know that this side is exactly the same to this side. We can just look and see with our eyes. But let's take a look at this one over here. Here's the line of symmetry right in the middle. And on this side, we have this shape going on. And the other side is a completely different shape. So if we folded this on the line of symmetry, these two sides would not match up. So this is something called asymmetrical or asymmetric, which does not have symmetry. So symmetry is everywhere. Let's start taking a look. Symmetry is often found in art. Artists like to use symmetry in their artwork because it is pleasing to the human eye, and artists want people to look at their artwork and enjoy looking at it. So you can see that this artwork has symmetry, right? There's two dragons on both sides. If we folded this in half, it would match up exactly. Here's another type of artwork. You might say, this doesn't look like an artwork. This looks like a building, but it's called architecture, and architecture is a form of art. This building is beautifully designed. This is actually called the Taj Mahal, which is in India. And the person who designed this made it so that both sides were equal, symmetrical. So it looks really nice when you're there in person or looking at it at a picture. Here's another artwork, a photograph that is symmetrical. Both these flamingos on both sides, if we folded this in half, they would match up perfectly.
So do you understand what it means by symmetry now? Symmetry means that you cut half, it will be the same. That's right.
Way before.
Now let's take a look at this artwork. This is a painting by Georgia O'Keeffe. Now let's examine this because there's some things in this artwork that are symmetrical and there's some things that would not make it.
I think it's a horn with some goat or some kind of animal, maybe. I'm not sure.
And now the flower is not symmetry and the floor is not symmetry.
Perfect. The horn is symmetric. However, the flower and the floor is not symmetric.
It's symmetrical. This skull right in the middle has the line of symmetry. If we fold it in half, it would match up perfectly. But I noticed something on this side that's not on this side, right? This flower. So technically, I couldn't say that this whole artwork is symmetrical, but I could say that the deer skull or the animal skull is symmetrical, meaning that one part of the artwork is symmetrical, but not the whole artwork. Same with this artwork. If we were to fold this in half, I'm not sure if it would match up exactly, right? The fish's head would match up with the fish's tail, right? That's not symmetrical. So this artwork would not be symmetrical. Symmetry is also found in nature. Let's take a look at some examples. This starfish, this beautiful detailed leaf, right? So we can see that symmetry is found a lot of places in the world. So now that you've learned about symmetry, you can start looking for it in your everyday life. Before we conclude this video, let's do a little bit of review. So, what is symmetry? Symmetry, to keep it simple, is when something is the same on both sides. It equally matches up. Now, what is a line of symmetry? A line of symmetry is an imaginary line that we draw right in the middle of an object or an image to help us determine if something is symmetrical. So if I were to fold this butterfly in half, or it's to fold its wings in half right on the line of symmetry and they match up equally, we know that it's symmetrical. And before we leave today, let's learn what is not symmetry just to help us. So both sides equal, that is symmetrical. Something that's not symmetrical.
Can you tell me why is the second tree not symmetrical or symmetrical? Why?
Because the shape is like this.
See, here is symmetrical, but
This
here and here is not symmetrical, right?
This is a bit symmetry.
Yeah. Okay, very good. You guys understand now?
Also called asymmetric or asymmetrical is when one side is different than the other.
When asymmetrical means not symmetrical, okay? Asymmetrical.
And if we were to fold this on the line of symmetry, they would not match up. Right? So this was just a quick intro to symmetry. Thank you for watching, and start looking for things in your world that have symmetry.
Okay, can everyone look around you? Look around you. Do you see anything which is symmetrical? Bring something symmetrical. Very good. Yes, Jane has a symmetrical scissors. Your cup is symmetrical. Fantastic. How about Aiden and Charmaine? Very good. The phone is symmetrical. Aiden, do you have anything which is symmetrical?
This is my phone.
Oh, you have your own phone. Your tablet is symmetrical. Phone is symmetrical. Very good. But Charmaine's picture is not symmetrical.
And then got cases.
Very good. Aiden's pencil case is symmetrical. Fantastic.
Cason.
Oh, Kaisen is inside. All right. Can everyone open your Huda book? Excuse me.
Page what?
Huda book. Let's start with page. Okay, let's start with page 14.
14.
Okay, let's start with page 14. Today we're gonna do from page. Okay, Charmaine, which is the page that you last finished? Did you do page 11 already?
11.
Yeah.
Let me see.
Done or not done? Charmaine, I cannot see. Is it done or not done? Done, right?
Not done. Apps not done.
Understand. Okay, so today we'll finish everything from page 11 to page 14. Okay, so for Jane and Angel, you guys have already done all this, right? Okay, so Jane and Angel, I'll send you the game for you guys to play, all right? Word wall game. Okay, please play the word wall game and take picture of your mark and submit into your Google Classroom. There's 2 activities there. Okay. Okay, the rest you just need to do the Huda book.
To do it.
Page 14.
How to do page 40.
Hold on, yeah. Let me send to Jane and Angel first. Okay, Jane and Angel, do you get the link?
Let me see.
Okay, you may do now. Click the link. and
Did.
do now.
I did get the link. I
Okay.
did get the link.
Okay, good. Please click it and try do it. Once you finish already, remember,
Second one.
don't close the screen. Take a picture.
First one
Okay.
or second one?
Both. Okay, now Aiden and Charmaine. Now this is the line of symmetry. It cut. Oh no, we need to draw exactly the same. So let's draw the flower first. The flower. Oh, here is U. I draw the U. Here got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I also draw this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 petals. Here a V shape and 1 piece of leaf. Okay, then I draw here is straight and here is slant. Draw exactly the same. So can Aiden and Charmaine draw A, B, C, D? Symmetrical.
I don't know how to draw A, B, C.
Okay. D, once you're done, you give me a tick. Then I'll explain
D.
to you.
D is done. D
Done.
done.
Okay, Aiden, D done? Oh. Charmaine, you don't see everything. You see small part, small part. You see here, it's a C. You draw a C first. You see here's a slant line. You do a slant line first.
Okay, and then
Then here you see it's a U-shaped box. You follow a U-shaped box. You see this one is a straight line. I follow a straight line. Here go up. I follow up. And like this. Here got an ear. I copy. Follow line by line. Got it? Charmaine, the eye, do you draw? Okay. The eye, do you draw it like this? Yeah. Good. Okay, Charmaine, can you tell me if I draw the eye correctly or wrong? Correct or wrong?
long.
Wrong. Okay, you have to follow it on the right side. Got it?
Got it.
Okay, just imagine if the paper fold into half, it will be the same. Okay, so can you figure out all the rest of A, B,
And
C?
then
Okay, try to draw on the paper.
I don't know how to draw her feet.
Okay, just draw the same thing. You see here is a U shape,
This
and like this, then a circle, a circle. You just draw bits by bit, lines by line. That's fantastic, Charmaine. It looks exactly the same already. Good job.
and then draw again.
Yes, draw all the rest. Okay, so Aiden and Charmaine, page 14, can you do it by yourself as your homework? Okay. Now page 13, can you flip to page 13?
I am not done yet.
Okay, this one you do it later as your homework, okay? Can you please go to page 13? Okay, 13, you have to draw a line of symmetry.
I am not done.
Charmaine, do that later. Do you understand?
Okay. Draw
Okay.
again is this.
Yeah. Okay, please turn to page 13. Okay, each and every picture there might be a few lines of symmetry, but you don't need to copy, you don't need to do all, you just need one line, any one line that can cut half. Okay, Charmaine, can you cut a line of symmetry for the second one? Can you draw on the screen, please?
Okay.
Can you draw on the screen first?
This.
Fantastic. Okay.
Then this
Next,
is this.
okay, stop. Okay, Aiden, can you do this tree on the screen, please? Draw a line of symmetry, please. Can you draw a line of symmetry, please? Aiden. Okay, when you cut over here, Aiden, the up and the down is same enough. Aiden, here got pointy V, here got pointy V enough.
Okay, my homework.
Don't have, so this one not a good idea. One more time. Cut. So imagine once you cut already, you can fold to half, it's gonna be the same. Fantastic, Aiden. Very well done. Good job. Okay, very good. Can you please, Aiden and Charmaine, can you please take a ruler and draw the line into your book now, please? Okay. All right. Done. Get a ruler. Draw the line of symmetry. Okay, Angel and Jane, how is it? Have you done any of the word wall yet? Okay, Angel done. I allow you to share screen. Okay, Angel, can you share your screen and show us what have you done?
I done one.
Okay, just show that one.
I'm already doing one, okay? One
Okay,
more.
Okay. Okay, whenever you're ready, let me know. You can share screen, Jane and Angel. Okay, next. Done. Aiden and Charmaine, have you drawn a line of symmetry?
Yes, this.
Okay, good. Very good job, Charmaine. Okay, then after that, for this will be your homework. You can do it anything you like. You want to draw anything you like. You want to draw a circle, whatever you want to draw, a box. Okay, make sure that it's the same because of the line symmetry. Don't make sure here is 2 boxes. Here you also draw 2 boxes. Okay, do not draw like this. Understand? It must be the same. Count the box. Draw anything you like. Okay, that will be your homework. Okay.
Is this correct?
Yes, good. Yes, good. Okay, next. Take each shape with 3 corners. Okay, you see here is one
Page
corner,
Page 12.
page 12.
So
Aiden and
is it we
Shamin,
need to
page 12.
do one of them?
Both.
Them or both? Okay.
Two word wall.
Okay.
Okay, three corners. Yes, 1, 2, 3, and you tick. This one, you count how many corners? Okay, here 1, 2. Good, triangle is 3. But square, we count 1, 2, 3, 4. Then don't do anything. Understand?
Okay, I know.
I understand.
This is the one.
Okay, there is one more picture which has 3 corners. Can anyone help me to take on the screen?
Oh, I know where is here.
Please take on the screen. Fantastic. This too has 3 corners. Okay, Aiden, can you take both answers? Okay. Now, okay, can you please draw the line? Aiden, can you draw the line to the picture? Like this square, draw the line. Can you please draw the line, please, Aiden? On the screen. Aiden, draw where's pentagon, where's rectangle, triangle, hexagon.
And then 4 sides and 4 corners.
That
What
later.
is
That later. Just draw the line for the shape. Charmaine, draw it in your book. While Aiden, can you draw it on the screen? Pentagon, which is pentagon.
remind me of?
So pentagon,
Okay.
good. Triangle, hexagon. Good. Okay, now which picture has 3 sides and 3 corners?
Triangle.
Very good. Which has 4 sides and 4 corners?
I don't know.
1, 2, 3, 4. Square. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rectangle.
Wow, so faster.
Right? 5 sides and 5 corners. What is that?
Rectangle.
Pentagon. 6 and 6.
Pentagon.
Fantastic. Please write into your book. Okay, Angel, have you finished your work?
No,
Yeah, what wrong?
I just finished Magdalene.
Okay, finish both
So I'm
links.
going to do this. Is it? Share screen now?
Yes, you can share screen, Angel.
I want to turn in the Google Classroom. I go to YouTube Math. A lot of YouTube I can watch. Please start screen sharing.
I already allow it, so you just screen share.
I couldn't.
Okay, now you can.
Let me find, okay? Let me find. I already sent it to it as a like.
Can you just click it? Don't click there. Can you share the control with me? Yeah. Okay, very good. Angel, you got 2 wrong. Can I see which 2 wrong? Okay, you see the spoon? The up and the down is not symmetry, but Angel, let me draw the annotate. Okay, when you draw a straight line like this, do you think it's symmetrical? The left and the right, is it the same?
I thought it would be, but I thought the cup is also symmetry.
Okay, the cup, this is a cake The cake is not symmetry because you see, one side is yellow, one side is red, so this is not symmetrical. Understand?
Oh.
Understand? Okay. Very good. Good job. Okay, how about the other one? You finish as well? Okay, can you go back to your screen? Exit, exit, escape.
No, I'll show you the other one.
Yep, yes, please.
Teacher, I did that all wrong. All correct.
All correct.
correct.
Fantastic.
Correct.
Fantastic. Okay, all correct for Jane and Angel. Fantastic. Okay, can you stop share screen? Yep.
I'm stopping.
Yep.
I
Yep,
know
Jane.
the quiz. I really quick to done it because I use my keyboard. The keyboard you press it can answer it.
Okay. All right. Okay, so let's continue this with Aiden and Charmaine.
Could you continue just now what you're doing because I just finished.
Okay. Okay. Sure, no problem. Okay, so you done, you can rest, all right? Okay, Aiden and Charmaine, let's continue this. Okay, what shape is this TV?
Rectangle.
Very good. Please write it down. Rectangle.
Right down. Which page?
Angel, you mean? Angel? No, you have already did it, so you don't need it.
Okay.
Okay. Next, what shape is this?
I don't know.
Triangle. Okay, Angel and Jane, I do have some work for you, but this you might need to print. Or you can print screen and try to do this. Okay, Angel? Okay. Can you open your Google Classroom? Open your Google Classroom from your tablet.
Why? It's the middle of the class.
Yes. Okay, open your Google Classroom from your tablet and start to do, there's 2 more you need to do, okay? You can only do this on your tablet, okay? Draw the line of symmetry and complete the symmetry shape.
I'm doing the link on the chat.
Oh. Okay, but from the chat that you have no annotate, you can't do it. Okay. So, yep, please do. All right, for Jane and Angel, you have 2 more worksheets for you to do. Okay, back to Charmaine and Aiden. This, what shape is this? Circle. Good. What shape is this? Triangle. What shape is this? Square. Fantastic.
We need to do the level sheets you sent us just now.
Yes, I sent 2 more K5 learning PDF to the Google Classroom as well as your chat. You can either print it or use your computer print screen and draw on the screen. Okay, done. Aiden and Charmaine, have you both finished writing all the shapes already? Done? Can you drink more water, please?
All right.
Make sure do not put it on table. Don't spill it on your computer again.
All right.
Okay, Aiden and Charmaine, you done yet?
Done.
Okay. So I'm gonna clear it, okay?
No.
All right, the last part. Okay. Okay, can you try to do by yourself, Aiden and Charmaine? Circle. Which one is circle? Can you draw it? On the book? Yep. Okay. Can Aiden, page 11. Okay. Page 11. All right, I think Charmaine, you better turn off your video because you're lagging. Okay, Aiden, can you draw on the screen, like match the picture to its name? Circle to circle. Aiden, do question number 1 on the screen, and Charmaine, do question number 2 on the screen. Pick the shape that has line of symmetry, like you can cut means thick. I think I showed you this before. Okay. Since they mentioned only tick, so the correct one you tick, non-correct one you do not write it. Fantastic. Very well done. Very well done. Very well done. Triangle. You know, try. Very good. Do you know this triangle? Good. Pentagon, like a pen. Fantastic. Okay, done. Okay, can you please copy this into your book now? Very good. Aiden and Charmaine got all correct. Please copy this into your book.
哦，你上课哦，用纸画哦，那只线容用笔画，
Yep.
知道吗？
老师今天我们做过了。Is it a revision?
Yes, revision. We learn about line of symmetry.
How to?
What you don't know, Charmaine?
I don't.
I can't hear you.
怎么我不可以 stop video?
You already stopped video, Charmaine. Okay, all done? Okay,
Is
perfect.
it this? Teacher, I see me
I can't
that
see.
video.
I can't see Jane. Can you put very much nearer?
Last time we do.
Oh, we did it before. Okay, then don't need that.
Okay, and I don't like to do. Is it?
Okay.
You need to do again too.
So it means that this time you have to get 100 and 100 and 100 and 100% correct.
Teacher,
Yes.
you cannot start your video because the host has stopped it. You stopped Charmaine video, is it?
Yeah, because she's lagging.
Oh,
So I asked her to stop video. She don't need to turn on her video.
oh, okay.
Because when she turn on her video, her whole thing hang. I can't hear her.
哦，因为你 看那个 internet 不好，所以你一直会卡一下，所以老师关注，来坐这，知道？
Okay. Aiden, Shamin, all done?
Done.
Hooray. Okay, so we have finished everything about 2D and line of symmetry today. So tomorrow we're gonna do about 3D shapes. All right? Okay, so that's pretty much all for today. All right, just let me do a quick go through of what Jane and Angel was doing today. Oh, spooky, spooky, Halloween.
So scared.
Scary, right?
Why has eyes?
Okay, so this is what I call symmetry and non-symmetry. Symmetry means left and right the same, just like the chocolate bar, just like the spoon you can cut up to down, it's symmetry. When
Why
non-symmetry,
This house has eyes.
because there's something hiding behind, maybe it's a bat. Okay, not symmetry are like teapots, all these are non-symmetry.
The spoon is symmetry. I do 2 times. I love film is
Symmetry because you cut like this.
First time I try, I put the spoon into not symmetry. It's wrong, so I do it again.
Yeah, all right. So since Jane do so many times and she got it correct, okay, I shared the control with Jane. Okay, I give you 10 seconds for you to do. 10, 9, 8, Jane, 7. Hurry up.
Teacher Sharon, why has bond?
What has gone? Like a bond.
Why this house has bond?
Don't get what you mean. What you mean by this house is gone? Well done.
Wait, is it wrong? Love? No, it's wrong. It's wrong.
Aiden has a good point. That is wrong.
No, it's wrong.
The professor is so angry. You
Zombie.
got wrong. Is that zombie?
First time I do all correct.
Okay. So basically this is symmetry, but the fork, you see here is bigger, here is smaller. So that's why this is not symmetry, because you see here can one dot.
Zombie.
I don't know. Just for fun. All right, that's all for today.
Can you
Bye.
send to the Google Classroom?